Would you do this deal? Jackson County, North Carolina, APNs. Okay, one is 3.18 acres, and one is 2.18 acres. Are they together?
92.
92.
And 60.
And 60.
It's in an HOA.
These are nice houses.
Okay. Offer price is $15,000 for both.
Jeez, it's cheap. Houses are expensive as hell.
It's level. It's for a mountain house site. There is an HOA. Yes, Laura, you are correct. No septic or well permits are on file. Owners are out of state, heirs to the property, and they don't know anything about the utilities. From listing of properties, there's bunches of comps for you already there.
Mm-hmm.
From listing the property in subdivision, community water tap available with no limit on when you have to build. Minimum square foot, 1,800 square feet.
I would buy this.
And we have a lot of different things here. Comps from the same subdivision show $60,000 to $75,000 for similar lots, and we're buying it for $15,000.
I would buy it.
For both.
If there's two buildable APNs for 15, let's see.
Please double check the HOA back fees and the cost to transfer, just so you know. You could buy it. You can buy a property and go, oh, the HOA is $400 a year. Okay, well, that's not bad. We can handle that. But they haven't paid for 5 years. You go, oh, I got to think about that.
We don't know if they're alive either. So this is a state situation.
It was their heirs and they're out of state. We need to make sure that it was transferred to them and done the right way. Not just I have a will.
I would ask them about other properties because I just looked to see how many they own, and they own a ton of properties.
Oh.
So I would definitely ask them about other properties. You know how like in Data Tree you can click view owners' other properties? They own quite a bit.
So that could be a trick.
Like 40 properties, 42 properties.
Maybe they just inherited them all though.
Then buy them all.
That's what I'm saying.
So I would negotiate even down further then.
Maybe they don't even know. Like I've had sellers that didn't even know how much they had.
That's a great point. I bet they don't know.
Do you know mom and dad had way more than these two kind of thing?
Oh, here we go though. Oh, just when you think it's okay.
We have homes in there.
81 active, 56 sold. I'm out. 3 acres for $35,000. The price is right. I would not walk away from this, but all these issues about, I wouldn't walk away, but I need to get to the bottom of all this.
The hair on the back of your neck should be standing up and you're going to go, I need to get to the bottom of this, and this. Was it transferred right? What about all these other properties? What's going on here? Are these the two worst ones? Whatever is going on. We got an HOA involved. We got so many property available. Do I really want to swim in that pond?
Whoa.
That's right.
Yeah. I'm not liking that now. How many, you know what would I even do with these situations? Honestly, we haven't even, Oren, got into that subdivision.
Right. Yeah.
What are there 10 lots in that sub also for sale? I don't want to be there.
It doesn't look too bad in that subdivision.
That's good. Okay.
I might be the odd man out again. There's
Okay,
like a 3 acre parcel for like $600,000. And I just sent you that one for 56 and that one's pending. The house across the street looks like it on Zillow. It's 1.1 million. Obviously that's the estimate, but still for $7,000, I don't know that you could go wrong.
Yeah. If they're both buildable APNs and the HOA is okay. And the days on market's all right. And that whole subdivision is look at this. The property.
I was just going to say my only small concern is that it's buildable because it is kind of an odd shape.
Okay.
Just to make sure that it's buildable.
Right.
If you can get all the answers to this and we're buying 2 properties and we know that the other one, whatever the whole thing is, yeah.
Okay.
We would really look at this as funding.
Okay.
But I need to see days on market are like.
That's my concern. I don't want to, I'd fund this to you. Well, you know what? For $15,000, I would fund it anyway. I don't mind if it takes 9 months. Well, when it's $115,000, I'm like, is it going to take 9 months?
If Jill doesn't fund it, I'll fund it.
Okay, good. There you go. Yeah, I like
maybe
it.
we can do that anyway, Brandon. If it's, if there are $200,000 or $300,000 properties, I'll do that. That'd be great to do it with Brandon.
Deal.
And or Lori, if they own all that property and it all checks out, we'll put the whole thing together for you.
We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.